Just like we have solved compound interest in our previous video, in season 10, we are going to be showing a little trick on how to solve compound interest in less than 10 seconds. The one that we solved the last time, when you check that, it took about 20 minutes. But this time around, you will see less than 10 seconds is done. Now, assuming that you're asked to calculate the amount, the principal for 2 years at 8% per annum, all you needed to do is not for you to start solving things that are very ambiguous. All you just have to say is, because it's 60,000, you have to just take the first two numbers, which means it will be 60 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 8, which is going to give us 920. And the original answer is going to be 9,984, right? The approximated value for this, the nearest whole number approximated value of this is going to be 10,000. But over here now, if I am decides to multiply like this, with the trick, as soon as I arrived at this at 920, I'll add up 0, then I approximate this to the nearest whole number, I will still arrive at the same 10,000. Now you can still do the same trick here. In this example number 2, when you multiply the first two numbers, 23 times 4 times 1, if you have two numbers here, you just have to multiply 1. When you multiply that, what you're going to have is going to be 960. You are supposed to have 96. You add 10, then you approximate this to the nearest whole number, which is going to be 1,000. If you still approximate this again, it will still be 1,000. I hope this is clear. When you still come to this particular point again, you multiply this, the first two numbers. Now that I'm having 10,000 here, I will just take 10 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 7. What I'm going to be having here is, I'll be having 210. Now this 210 which I'm having now, I'll be having 2001 if I add that particular 0. So the approximated value of this is going to be 2000. The approximated value of this is going to be 2000. Then if I still do the same thing here, you will see that it will be 5 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 8, which means that what I'll be having is going to be 1, 2. Then here is going to be this. The approximated value of $1,298 is going to be 1,000. The approximated value of this is going to be 1,000. Thanks, and come back for more.